Well, welcome to Terget Field. We got a baseball game with the Pirates and the Twins. It is a Friday, August 18th, and it's Star Wars night. Woo! I caught him in the wild. Look who it is, it's Mateo. Hi Mateo, I know you. Not gonna lie, for being from Pittsburgh, they're traveling decent. I've seen worse, especially from better teams, so way to go Pirates. Oh, by the way, 2 on the board so far. Ah, the sounds of BP. I wish that we didn't have all this music going. Then I could just let it roll, but I can't. Here he comes, Kutch. Swaggiest baseball player ever? Quite possibly. All right, Kutch! That guy is wearing a Doc Ellis jersey, and it's appropriate because... How psychedelic, man. Pretty trippy. If you don't know the story, Doc said that he pitched his no-hitter on LSD. Yeah. So he was fighting the demons, but that's 1970s baseball for you. Wild times. Let's play a game. It's Find Mateo, the yellow-shirted man. Do you see him? None over here? Oh, I think we missed him. I think that's Mateo. Hi, Mateo. He's walking, playing that aisle. Well, hello, nerds. Well, that is it for BP. Ended up with 3, so can't complain. And now we just wait. It's going to be Star Wars on the field thing in just a little bit. And how about some free water? Free water is always good. Reminds me of some of the intros that I did. Copycats. Oh, wait.
The designated hitter number 47, batting second, the third baseman number 23, Royce Lewis.
Hey, buddies! Here! Hey!
Always on the prowl. Let's take a little bit of a walk, shall we? Well, the wind is definitely blowing in, which is not good for where I am right now. But we have the hero from the last game. Mr. Grand Slam himself, Matt Wallner, pride of Forest Lake. If he can hit it 450 feet, that might be enough to get it out here. All right, and the game is tied at 0. And, well, life happens, so peace. I'll put an update who wins. I'm going to venture to guess that it is not a tie tonight.